might not even be officially released, but yet here we are talking about Android 13 Developer Preview 1. Here are all of the top new features that we found in the first slice of Tiramisu. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. We need to get some warnings out of the way first though, so skip ahead to get right into the features if you're not interested. That said, anyone out there expecting a huge overhaul need not apply. For starters, as is customary, the first few preview builds are aimed exclusively at developers. That means most of the major changes Android 12L might not even be officially released, but yet here we are talking about Android 13 Developer Preview 1. Here are all of the top new features